Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TaskRabbit. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use TaskRabbit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So when you first log into TaskRabbit, this is what your homepage looks like. You're given a list of different type of tasks that you can go ahead and hire out, and it's categorized based on outdoor maintenance, home improvement, and especially moving. So let's take, for example, we need help moving. So click on help moving, and then it's going to ask you just a few on-screen prompts. So you can say, yes, I need a vehicle. No, I don't need a vehicle. And these on-screen prompts are going to vary depending on what type of task you're asking for. So for help moving, for example, you have a starting address and an ending address. So you can click on continue, and then it's going to find taskers for you. So with these list of taskers, you can see how much their hourly rate is, when they're available, and what their reviews are, which is most important. So let's take, for example, Giancarlo at $36 an hour. If we want to go ahead and use him or hire him, we would just click on his profile. We can read his reviews. We can click on select, and then we could also schedule when we want the move to happen. So once you click on select and continue, this is where you could actually go ahead and message them. And so with it, simply review the task, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use TaskRabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.